Hello friends, in this video we are going to answer a question, which is best, Google Ads or Meta Ads for businesses. If I talk about the customer intent, then in Google Ads people are actively searching for product and service. Whereas if we talk about Meta Ads, then our ad is visible to those users who are not actively searching for product and services. They might be interested, might not be interested in your product or service. Basically, it is a cold audience. If we talk about brand awareness, then Meta Ads is good. You can showcase images, videos, and reels to people. Coming to purchase intent, then Google Ads is good. Google Ads drive highly purchased intent customers on your website in comparison to Meta Ads, because people are actively searching on Google's platform. If you are focusing on audience targeting, then Meta Ads is good. You can use detailed targeting, you can use demographic based targeting, interest based targeting, and behavior based targeting. Google Ads is good for local businesses and search driven businesses, whereas if I talk about Meta Ads, then it is best for those businesses who are dealing in visual appealing products like online courses or having an e-commerce website. If I talk about maximizing the sales, then working on both the platform works good. You can also run Google Ads as well as Meta Ads together. In Google Ads, you may expect lower sales, but in Meta Ads, you will expect higher sales. So basically, it is the difference between Google Ads and Meta Ads. You can opt for both if you want to maximize your sales. If you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. You can also download Digital Bikana app to start learning digital marketing. Thank you.